Hi guys, and welcome to another video. This one is gonna be a little bit different than you probably used to seeing me driving to remote places and do our car camping. So today I'm gonna spend the night at Sorumbu Eco Park. Guys, welcome to Sorumbu Eco Park. We're here. I think that's Brandon there.
Hi, Cynthia.
How are you? Long time no see.
Good. It's been a while. You can see there's a bamboo bridge just to get across. Or you can use a shortcut from here. Alright, I don't know whether there is another bamboo bridge, but just been taken off. You can use the bamboo bridge there, just a small little bamboo bridge from this side.
Okay.
You can just walk from there.
There's no one else here, only me at the campsite. You can see my car is down there and I have to walk up the hill slope over the bamboo bridge, about 50 meters long, and straight here to the campsite. I'm done with the tarp, so I'll have a rest for a while before I move on to the to set up my tent. Cheers. It's kind of windy up here, and I got a good view of the cafe or the bar down there and swimming pool. And I think the day is gonna rain soon. Yep, it's dark everywhere. But I'm done with my tarp, and the next thing I will set up my tent, and I'm gonna put it in there. Okay, so now I'm just gonna show you my ration for today. Okay, as usual, no question asked. It's kinda impromptu trip today, so I just grab anything that's available at home. So I have this pistachio, and this one all clean and cut from home for tonight's dinner, and this is for tomorrow. I have pre-seasoned chicken wings from home. Everything I put into a Ziploc bag, and ham. I have my coffee, just instant ones, rice, white pepper, and in here I have 2 eggs. Yep, it survived. And that's about it. I have my headlamp with me so I can check, because I'm not gonna turn it on all the time because the bugs are coming in and it's pretty annoying. Let's check the rice if it's cooked. Almost. While waiting, cheers. Ikan bilis, guys, anchovies. Salt. Pepper. And it's done. So here's my dinner, guys. Bon appetit. It's raining now in Bau, so it's not a big deal to me because I like rain. It's kind of therapeutic. I'll see you guys in the morning. Good night. Good morning. It's so cold that I actually changed to long pants last night, and it's been raining the whole night. So everybody seems to be still sleeping down there. I need coffee. I do have a toilet here. Do your business in nature, guys. How cool is that? I like this place so far. It's to me it's private enough if you get the one with the bamboo platform. The sky is turning dark right now, guys. I think I better start packing up before it rains. Left my top and my tent to dry up before I keep it. So guys, please leave the place as clean as how you arrived. Whatever rubbish you have, dump it into this bin or bring it home with you. Thank you, Serunggu. Till next time. I'm hungry, guys. Just have Maggie with orange juice. And guess what? It's raining. Just in time after I packed everything, it rains. And right now, I'm having my lunch here at the cafe. Ayam Baropa.